Yeah, what's up, traders? Welcome back. Yeah, guess what? Guess what I'm planning to do right now? I know I've been doing a lot of challenges on this channel. Like, I'll start it and I'm not going to finish it, right? Like the last one I did was last, I think June, right? And it lasted for just that June, 1 month, right? So now I'm coming here right now for another challenge, which is taking free trials, the FTMO free trials, right? So I'm going to be taking FTMO free trials. Like, I don't know how many I'm going to be taking for now, but I know I just want to start taking it continuously, right? So for now, let me have three in mind. I'm going to take three in mind and I'm documenting it right here, all right? I'm documenting the process right in this channel, right? So like I said, I I gave like I posted on my YouTube. There's this poll I posted, which I asked, what content will you guys love to see on this channel? And most of the votes were, yeah, in fact, 100% were the reality of 100% was the reality of trading forex, like the reality of forex, right? So guys, this is what I'm going to be doing: trading FTMO free trials. Yeah, I'm just going to be taking the challenge continuously. Like, if I take one, if I fail or pass, I'll be taking the next one, and at the end of maybe 10 trials, and let's see how it goes, right? So I'm just going to open the account. I'm just going to open the free trial and get my login. So I'm going to show you guys and everything. Then I'm going to be starting to trade the accounts by tomorrow, which is 1st of August, right? So new month, new go. That's what I'm starting. So I'm going to be judging whatever whatever I want to judge. I'm going to be judging after the trials, right? I'm just going to judge after the trial. So stay tuned and more content to come. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and smash the like button, right? So I'm just going to create the account right now. I'm going to update you guys on the account if I take any trade and all that stuff. Alright, stay tuned. This is the account. I'm trying to create FTMO free trial. Alright, so this is it. I'm choosing a swing MT5 and start free trial. So, so these are the login credentials, right? So I'm just going to use this to log in on my MT5 and tomorrow being the first, I'll start trading this. Alright. So guys, this is my MT5. I'm about to log in. Alright, this is it. Alright, I just got a free trial from FTMO. So I'm going to start with this account from the beginning of this new month we are going to be entering tomorrow, which is 1st of August. So that's when I'm going to start trading this account, right? Yeah, so guys, actually it's not first yet. We are not in August yet, right? But I'm seeing this setup, right? And I think there's a news event by maybe 5 a.m. yeah, tomorrow. So I'm going to be taking this trade now. I'm going in on this trade on the FTMO account. So I just want to go in on this trade against tomorrow. So I'm just assuming I'm still taking it against tomorrow, which is first. All right. So I'm seeing this setup, and the setup is I've already gotten confirmation, right? Already getting confirmation just to go in right now, just to go in on this trade right now. So let's go to my FTMO accounts on MT5. So I'm going to place this trade. Alright, this is my MT5. So I'm gonna just show you the account. As you can see, this is the account FTMO trial swing USD. So this is the account, and $10,000. Okay, so the pair I'm looking at is AUD. I'm trying to go short on this pair. Okay, I've gotten my confirmation already. So now I want to go short. Let me just calculate my risk quickly. Just from the position size calculator. AUD. Alright, account balance is $10,000. $10,000. The risks I'm taking is 1% on this account, and the stop loss I'm going to be taking is 23.1. 23.1. Alright, let's have everything. Alright, the lot size I'm going to be using is 0.43. As you can see right here, that's the lot I'm going to be using, 0.433. 0.433. So I'm going in on this one. I'm going in on this one with 0.433. 0.43, right? Selling AUD right now. So my stop loss is just a little bit above that structure, which is 0.67414. 0.67414. 0.67414. This is 413, so I might not get exactly that 414, but this is 414. Alright, so I'm in on this trade. As you can see, I'm in on this trade. This is my first trade on the FTMO trial. So you're going to see how it plays. Alright. Yeah, guys. Earlier today yesterday I entered this trade. So this was the time now. It's 5:49. Like I said, there's a news 5 a.m. today, which is 1st of August. So the news has just pushed it down straight to the TP. TP has been smashed, but what I forgot to do was I didn't put my TP on that trade. So, but as you can see, TP has been smashed right here, but I didn't put the TP on that trade. So I'm just going to close it manually, right? And as I'm saying, it's like it's going back up, but I'm just going to wait for it to go down, or I'm just going to put the TP already. Right, so let me just copy the number 0.6630. all right, so I'm just gonna input this on my MT5. all right, here is my MT5. So I'm just going to input that TP now, so that in case it come back to that area, it's just going to stop me out like in profit. 0.66630, right? Yeah, that's it. So that will be my TP right now, but I guess it's going back. As you can see, in profit. So I'm just going to wait for TP to be smashed. Alright, so that's it, guys. I'm going to update you guys. Stay tuned. So guys, price is failing to get to that area again, so I think I'm just going to close it manually because I'm seeing some sign of reversal from that point. Yeah, so to be on the safer side, I just have to close it manually. As you can see, this is the 5-minute time frame. This is what it's doing. So I'll just have to close it manually. just have to close it manually. So I'll just take the profit I saw. Alright, I'm going to close it now on my MT5. So guys, here's my MT5. I'm just going to close this manually. Alright, I'm closing it now. So I closed with $467, and this is the first trade on this account, and as you can see, the first trade was a winner. Let's see if we're going to get some other opportunity. Alright, because we are still at the fresh week. The week just started, so stay tuned. Alright guys, this is the trade I entered earlier today, and as you can see, TP has been smashed fully, and also from the previous, if you noticed, I closed even before, like I didn't set my TP, and it went to my TP, the area I was supposed to put as TP, and start reversing from there. So I later set that TP again, like at that same area, so waiting for price to come back to that area and stop me out, like take me out on that TP. So I was like, I saw some candlestick patterns on the 5-minute time frame, so I was afraid, and I closed earlier. So I closed with $160 something, right? And now, as you can see from the chart, TP has been smashed. It has get to that area again and even past it. So lessons learned, right? Lessons right, but sometimes you just have to quickly take your profit before losing it back to the market, because you cannot be in profit and later lose that profit back to the market. It's very wrong. Using profit, and all the profits will go back to the market. So though lessons learned, what I learned from here is that sometimes you have to be patient, right? You have to be patient to know what is going to happen. Like, you have to be patient for your setup to play out well, just according to how you planned it, right? So guys, a quick analysis on the reasons why I entered this trade. I know I just quickly entered this trade based on I saw the confirmation, but I didn't give the reasons why I entered this trade, right? So as you can see from this 4-hour time frame, the market is very bearish, making lower lows, and as you can see, price is just making lower lows, and this was the previous low, and price has gone to make a new lower high, right? So from there I moved down to the 1-hour time frame. Also, you can see from that 4-hour time frame, there's a zone right here, this zone right here, right? There's a zone which price has already come to that zone. Price is at that zone exactly. That was when I was like, okay, if price did not respect this zone, price can come back to this trend line and also respect this trend line, right? So I was looking out for these two zones. There's two zones, right? So when I moved down to the lower time frame, 1 hour, if you note from my previous videos, I do trade trend line, the bounce off trend line. Once price come to trend line and give some rejections, I do trade out. I do trade from that trend line, like the bounce of the trend line. So I decided to add some other will I call it confluence, or like now I decided to add the break of trend line also. So as you can see from this 1 hour, or let me say it's the 30-minute time frame, right? Rather, it's the 30-minute time frame. So I drew my trend line, right? I drew my trend line, a counter trend line against the trend. So at the break of that trend line, because I was expecting price to come to this trend line and break it, or if it does not break it, it's going to bounce off that trend line and go to the next trend line, the major trend line, and bounce off this trend line down. It's going to drop from that trend line, right? So that is what I was anticipating, or instead I was waiting for the break of this trend line so I can go in. All right, so immediately I saw the break of that trend line, that was where I got my confirmation for entry, and I quickly hope in on that one, right? So that's how I got in on this trade, and it was a successful one at that. So that's it for that, and that's the first trade I took on that account, the FTMO free trial. So I'm going to be looking for other opportunities. If I see any, I'm going to let you guys know. Alright guys, this is GJ. I'm anticipating sell on this pair, but I'm also anticipating buy on GU and Euro USD. So I cannot be selling this and buying that. Sometimes they work together. You get, so sometimes they move in the same direction. That's why I'm not going to enter in this position, but this is just my view. Alright, and also this USD card, I'm expecting price to react on that trend line and that zone right there, but if it breaks, well, no entry. And also AUD USD, same thing. At that trend line, I'm expecting price to bounce off. And also this is DXY, as you can see, there's a trend line there. Expecting to bounce off that trend line. And this EU, I'm already in this position, right, from that trend line. As you can see, from the daily time frame, you can see a big trend line, and from the 4-hour time frame, you can see what price is doing here. You can see the candlestick it's forming. So my reasons for entering this trade is, after this close of the 1-hour candle, you can see it's a pin bar. Then from the 30-minute time frame, price broke that little trend line, and that's my entry after that break of trend line. So that was my entry. And yeah, that's the reason I entered that the GU trade, because of that trend line, and that's that little zone right there. So this AUD CAD, also expecting a bounce from that zone, right? Expecting a bounce from there, but let's just see what's going to happen. Anything can happen. It is what it is. So this is my MT5. This is the trade I entered. That is the EU trade, and as you can see, I'm using 0.82, risking 1% on the account. And remember, I'm in profit. I'm up already on this account. So that's just it. That's it. So let's just stay tuned and see what price is going to do. Let's stay tuned and see what price. I'm going to update you guys on what is happening and how it all play. So that is my stop loss. I'm just setting it right, my SL and my TP. So that's just it. And also I'm going to be looking at other pairs. Once they've given me confirmation, I'm going to be entering on this trade, and just stay tuned. Guys, I later went in on another position, AUD and AUD USD and AUD card. Alright, so my first position was Euro USD, which you guys saw I was in risking 1%. And this AUD and AUD card, AUD USD and AUD card, I was risking 0.5% for each, which is making it for the two position I was risking 1%. So yesterday in total I was exposed in like 2% risk. So I risked 2% total yesterday, and the trades happened to be a loss. So I was up like 1.5%. Right now I'm down 0.5%, right? So I didn't trade yesterday because that's the mass risks I take for a day. Then I just left the market, so I just decided to update you guys, and that's that for that. And I'll be ending this video right here. So every other update is going to be in the next episode. So if you love this content and you find value in this content, please smash the like button, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be dropping content like this back to back to back. And also I do drop all these trades on my Telegram community and also the WhatsApp community. You can go down in the description of this video. The links are there, the Telegram community link and other necessary link you might need. Just go down in the description of this video to find them. All right, and thanks for watching. Peace out.